Hello there beautiful people and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop on the line a comment and I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please bear witness for that because I made over 200 videos on Shopify customizations and they were mostly requested by you guys. I mean subscribers, and I know actually some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So if you have any questions or any video requests, don't hesitate, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to provide you with the information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe. Or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now it's a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now I'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make your Shopify store very professional without having to pay for those expensive teams or hiring those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications just so you can have a section with a widget, and it's not a very good idea for a long-term project. Or I give you a better deal, scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, and I'll let you be the judge and I respect your decision. But for now, let me fulfill another request, which is again, I know by a subscriber this time, which is how to resize the discounted price on the product page on your Shopify store. And again, we will do that by using our own custom code. Now I already provided the code for the person who asked for it, but from my experience, questions keeps repeating. So instead of waiting for someone to ask the same question, I get to make a video, and whoever get the same question, he can easily watch the video and do the thing you're trying to do. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, by the way, this is Shopify down theme. So I always start with completely new theme, nothing on it, and each video adds small customizations. So by the video 70 or 60, the theme will be completely different. But now, I think I will reach that level by the video 20 or 30, because now it's a very different chapter. As I said, I share complete sections and widgets, highly customizable by using your own custom code. For example, check out this carousel widget, reviews carousel, sorry, which shows reviews from multiple sources all in one place, including Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Etsy, all in one carousel, and it's filterable. If I click on Google, it will only show me the reviews from Google, and so on for Amazon, Facebook, and Amazon and Etsy. Or even better, check out this sales notification. As you can see, that will show sales notification on your Shopify store by using your own code, and it's highly customizable. You can customize the behavior for it and customize when it should show up and how long to stay open and when it's closed and for who to show up. It's very customizable. Make sure to check out that video, I already posted it. But what I'm talking about in this video is resizing. Let me scroll down. Oh, here, check out this one. This is abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will remind you of how many carts you have, products added to the cart you have, so you can go and check out and pay for them. And this is actually by using a mouse cursor trigger. So once it detects the mouse cursor is going to leave, it's going to close the page, then it will show up. And I already made a video again for that. But let me close it and scroll down to our product so I can do demonstration on it. Let me access this one, for example. So this is the product we're going to do demonstration on it. As you can see, it has already the old price, and this is the discounted price. So we will resize this, and also the code will have an option to make it bold if you want. And by the way, yeah, all the widgets in here, as you can see, all of them by using your own code, and all of them are free, and all of them on my channel. So for the millionth time, make sure to check out the channel, man. So obviously we can keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. So get back to Shopify dashboard. If you're already in Shopify dashboard, click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. And in here on the left panel, we need to find a specific file. Instead of looking at the folders, you might get dizzy. Use the search bar at the top left corner, then type in base, or again, it's gonna be either base.css or theme.css or style.css or custom.css, one of these, but mostly they use base, so try base first. And here is base.css, and after that scroll all the way down. Let me drag this because it's a huge file to the bottom of the page. Then we need to create some space to paste in our code. In case there is no space in here, just like you see right now, simply click front of the last thing, which is in my case is closing bracket, then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. I mistyped it, I added something, let me remove it. Here we go, we have a completely new space to paste in our code. Where are you gonna get that code? From the description box. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website, click on it and it will take you to this page right here, and the code is completely free again. Scroll all the way down and you will see this code. Simply click on this icon right here to edit the code, and added some comments in here so you can adjust the size for the price, and by default I have 3, and you can increase the number if you want a larger or decrease the number if you want a smaller. And this one, if you want to make it bold or no, if in case you don't want to, simply remove this line. Remove this line right here and keep only this one. Make sure to keep the closing bracket and it should work just fine without making the price bold. But in my case, I'm gonna keep it. So I'm gonna get back in here, paste the code in here. I'm gonna keep it as 3. I'm gonna click on the save button, wait for a couple of seconds. We will get back in here, reload the page, and see what that will do. And check it out, much larger now, and it's bold, as you can see. And I think it looks better. Yeah, it looks more appealing like this. I'm gonna keep it like this. And that's how you resize the discounted price on the product page for your Shopify store. And if you have any questions, because this is a question, and here is a video example for you. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.